Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what are simple ways to keep pests away? Doing what you can to keep pests away is something that we always recommend. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Luckily, there are some simple steps that you can take to keep pests from infesting. If you've watched some of our videos before, then some of these may be familiar to you. Seal or repair any cracks, crevices, or voids that pests can use to enter your home. Keep tree branches and vegetation trimmed back from your home. Take out trash regularly and store garbage in sealed containers. Replace broken window screens or door and window seals and weather stripping. Make sure you address any leaky pipes or other moisture issues. And apply high-quality pesticides every 3 months for continued control. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. If you've watched our videos before, then you might be familiar with some of these, or might be familiar with these. Familiar.